Talofa lava, it's Queen Mufasa.
And my name is Adrian.
Let's be friends.
Today, we're playing a game called Guess the Food.
Playing this game, we had to be blindfolded while guessing the food.
And whoever guesses it first wins the round.
I guess I'm gonna win
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I love
You're not
food.
such an...
I don't smell anything. What is this? Is there something wrong? Is my nose malfunction or something? Go for you, Ibrahim. Ooh, I think I got a scent. I
It's that milk thing. Oh,
oh gosh.
I can hear the crunch.
This is alamongo. I know.
Oh.
Oh wait, I think this is the real meal. Oh gosh. Okay. I already know this is my favorite back then. Masisusu. Oh. Ako pa ay mamino mo na iba. I think I should get the whole point because I ate. Oh, it's sticking on my hand. It's salty.
Soy sauce with masi.
Oh gosh.
Cracker mixed with soy sauce cream.
Buttery, kind of soya sauce, kikome. Oh gosh. What is this?
You guys heard of Marmite?
No. Ekapata is always the soup for this one. Smells funny.
I can't
Mangungi.
consider this food.
Kaupi supo? Bacon. Ole bacon. Pasipovi. Pasipovi paamang.
Just buat.
I am.
Buat.
Is this bacon?
This is what we call beef jerky.
Oh,
Wait,
beef
who said
jerky.
beef?
Oops.
Ah. You're saying no. I got it.
It's his favorite.
I smell pupumasa.
It's not pupumasa.
Oh, it's cheese.
It's a pasta.
Oh,
Is this some kind of rotten pasta or something? This is terrible. But no. It's cheese. You're right. Is this the kind of cheese I see on the movies? Like Italian cheese there? I heard that's very expensive. Do you believe this is...
nah, it should be $1.
I think we found a winner.
Okay, that's us on Guess the Food.
So far, so full, and keep it fresh.
Subscribe. No.
Yeah.